Facing the future can be so scary with all the insecurities and problems we now have in the world. Things in life remain unpredictable. You actually don't know what could happen tomorrow. We live in the most uncertain times in human history. So, how do you navigate through this journey called life? One thing I'm so excited about is the Word of God, the Word of life, the Word that has been before the existence of the world, the Word that created the heavens and the earth. This Word has already said something concerning your future. It has already made your future clear and secure. I know you may wonder how, and here is it. I know the thoughts I have toward you, thoughts of good and not of evil, to give you a hope and a future. What does that mean? It means you don't need to struggle for any future. You don't need to worry about it. It has been created and perfected. All you need is to believe and walk in the reality of it. This is not a fallacy or superstition. It is a reality. It is the truth of God. As we know, the world system is unstable, it is unpredictable, and it is unreliable. The only reliable word is the Word of God. The word that is spoken from the mouth of God to your life, the word that created you and every other living being on earth. So, trust in the word, rely on him. Let him direct you and lead you in the way you should go. Do not be afraid or anxious, because his word will always be with you, guiding and shielding you. I see you walking in the glory and beauty of the future he has planned for you. Read next, The Journey to Fulfilling Purpose. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgojmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Your gift makes fulfilling your purpose easy. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.